Hello kids! Are you ready to do something super yummy today? Let's go! First, we begin right from the middle of the cake. Yes, the creamy top part. Draw a soft, fluffy cream swirl like a tiny mountain of sweetness. Swirl, 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 creamy delight. Make our cake look super bright. Now, let's draw the round cake under the cream. Make it nice and tall, like a rainbow tower. Inside the cake, draw one by one straight lines going across. Make lots of strips just like a rainbow cake. Try to keep your lines neat and even. You are doing amazing. Line by line, strip so neat, making our cake look extra sweet. Now on the left side, draw a cute little fork. Make it fun and simple. This fork is ready to eat. Now on the right side, let's draw a knife. Oh, be careful. But don't worry, this is just a drawing. Awesome job so far. Now take your black marker and trace everything. Make those lines bold and clean. Wow, it's popping already. Now color the chocolate drip with brown. Color the cake with rainbow layers. Add a pink color on the first layer. Now fill the red color on the second layer. Red, blue, yellow, green. Prettiest cake you are even seen. Now fill the orange color on the third layer. Yellow color on the fourth layer. Green color on the fifth layer. Dark blue color on the sixth layer. Blue color on the seventh layer. And finally, light green color on the last layer. Great job! And ta-da! Your colorful cake drawing is ready. Don't forget to share your masterpiece. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Great job, little artist. Keep doing, keep smiling. See you in the next video. Bye bye.